Good evening. My son is not home. There's Lazy Boy, the retired man. Okay, this is little groceries. Atong Black for the World Cup Singapore. We have some tissue there. Okay, we have some little chicken, tuna. Okay, and chicken again. Okay, a little only. Okay, Atong Black for the World Cup Singapore. February 11, 2026, okay? We have some this preparation for our Chinese New Year, okay? Hot pot soup base, okay? By 2. Okay, some bread, some tofu juice, vegetable, and some chips there, okay? And little only, okay? This only like $60, okay? Okay, enjoy folks. Atong Black for the World Cup Singapore. Our little groceries, okay? Atong Black for the World Cup. Some chips, okay? Atong Black for the World Cup Singapore. Enjoy!